Hey, what's up, guys? James from Sharpe Automotive in Santee, California. We're here at the 14th annual Dino's Get Down in Glendale, Arizona, showing off our custom 1998 Chevy Tahoe. Basically, this thing is amazing, guys. It's got a twin turbo 6-liter LS, mirror image turbos in reverse, showing off the Nelson turbos, all of our stainless steel tubing from Vibrant Performance. This was actually built by a gentleman named Eric Anderson for us here at Sharpe Automotive down in San Diego. We did all the tin work. Everything on this truck that you're about to see was done by us in-house aside from the paint. This thing showcases Fat Fab's custom chassis for our Tahoes. If you want to walk around, we have a full interior that's all custom made. The dash is from a 2021 Silverado High Country that was custom fitted to fit the interior. And then everything else we built off of that. Here we're going to talk about a little about the stereo system that's in here. We do have Helix amplifiers and subwoofers and Blam components, which means the 8-inch mid-bass drivers that are in the doors, 3-inch wideband speakers in the dash with the tweeters. Those are all Blam multi-X components, as well as a coax setup here in the rear location of the truck. Right here we have the P6 DSP amplifier that actually runs all 6 speakers in the front, as well as provides us with 32 bands of equalization, time alignment, everything you need to build a high-end sound quality stereo system. Off to the side, we have 2 more amplifiers. One is a P1 that operates the 4 10-inch Helix subwoofers that we have right behind the seat. And then there's a P2 that runs the speakers that are right up here in the top. We have some custom shot wheels that are on here, 24-inch by 15 wide in the back, 22 by 9.5 in the front. This thing does lay chassis. You can see our custom built exhaust tips that are coming out there on the body rocker. The seats are Gen 5 Camaro seats that we rewrapped. All the color, we've tried to mimic what was happening on the 21 Silverado High Country. This build was also really big sponsor was Vibrant Performance. They provided us with all the stainless steel tubing, the lines and stuff that we use for the exhaust work, manifolds and so forth. SoundSkins is our company that helped us out with all the sound deadening throughout the truck. And of course, Sharpe Auto, that's the place to go when you need some really cool custom stuff. We built this truck in-house. We have a team of about 4 people. So at any given point, you know, on this particular build, there's either 1 to 4 people working on it at one time. If you can, give us a follow on Instagram at @Sharpe_auto. It's also the same for our Facebook. Give us a like, we'll like you back. We appreciate all your support.
I'ma always win.